Okay friends, let's start the trick, and I'm just gonna start the magic trick. And here is a new deck of cards which this. You could just shuffle this deck, and that does not matter. And the spectator is gonna tell start and stop. Okay, friends, and I'm not gonna look at the card which my spectator selects. Start, stop. Okay, you could just see the card which spectator selects. I'm just turning at another side, and I'm just closing the card. I literally didn't see the card, and I promise that I didn't see the card. Okay friends, and I'm just splitting the deck into half and placing this card at the middle of the deck so that it's completely lost in the middle of the deck. Okay friends, you could just see that I didn't place anywhere at some particular place, but I just missed the card somewhere in the middle of the deck, and I do know the card literally, and I have some agents in this card deck, and they are gonna help me. They are the top 3 powerfulest cards, and perhaps second and third powerfulest cards are equal, that are rivals. I'm just gonna take the cards and place them at the top of the deck. Okay friends, let the top 3 cards be suspense, and for a minute I'm just gonna take the 3 cards and gonna place them at the top of the deck. And here I have got the first card, the second card. Oh my god, the third card is missing. Okay, I have got even the third card. Okay, no props, and I'm just having the 3 powerfulest cards, and I'm just placing it on the top of the deck so that I couldn't do any cheating like stuff. Trick. Okay, trick, literally trick. Okay, and this is the first card. Okay, I think we could just show it to you because already it's 3 minutes, 4 minutes something. This is the ace of spade, and this is the powerfulest card which I mentioned. It takes its own life and transforms into the card which we have ordered it. And even if you believe or not, that's the true. And it has 2 assistants, 2 of spade, and next card is 3 of spade. Okay, I'm just no suspense, and I'm just clear to you. And okay friends, this is ace of spade, and the 2 of spade is an assistant of ace of spade. And I think we need 2 and 3 of spade actually teleports itself from one place to another, and they both are rivals because 2 of spade is even and the 3 of spade is odd. Okay friends, 2 of spade is even and he's odd, and this guy literally hates 2 of spade and he also hates them, but they both are assistants of ace of spade. Okay friends, here are the 3 cards, and I'm just gonna show the power of their assistants, and after that I'm just gonna order ace of spade to change into the card which spectator choose. Okay friends, let's move fast. Let's see the power of 3 of spade, and I'm just placing the whole deck like that. I'm just putting the whole deck on that like that, and I order you to transform or teleport to the top of the deck, and it works. See friends, I'm just peeling off the top card, and it is 3 of spade. You could just see it's a single card. I assure you that it's a single card. How could a card teleport in a deck? But at my order, it teleports because they are my friends. Okay, this is the two of spade. It's a single card. I'm just placing it on the top of the deck, and I'm just ordering you to just come at the bottommost card of the deck. Okay, it works. Actually, these two literally move in opposite directions, so that it appeared at down of the deck. The important thing is to mention is that when I keep the ace of spade at the top of the deck and order it to change, it does okay. Slipping. It does not change. That's the main criteria. Hence, it is having two cards which can teleport in the deck, but when it comes to beyond the deck, it teleports or transforms itself. Okay, literally it transforms. I'm just placing the ace of spade in the deck, and the ace of spade in the plastic case literally changed its form. I assure you that you will get surprised. Before that, I think we need to place this deck. Okay, I will keep these jokers here, and I'll just keep these decks so that I could not literally change a card. Okay, it's placed in the case, and I'm just gonna transform it into the card which the spectator chose. Oh my god, that worked. I think so. I don't know the card, but ace of spade itself transformed into the card which the spectator has chosen it. Okay, friends. Okay, let's see that if we can find ace of spade in this deck, and you could not find, this is ace of clever, friends. You could not find the ace of spade because the ace of spade gave its life for finding my card. It's the quality of best friend, but I'm also a best friend, right? So that I have to beg one of the jokers to transform into my ace of spade. Okay, friends, before telling their qualities, the two jokers can transform itself into any card which we have ordered it, and the guarantee card gives a new joker when one of the joker gets vanished. Okay, friends. Okay, I just that's a mantra for asking them to transfer. Okay, please transform into ace of spade. Please transfer into ace of spade. Please transform into ace of spade. Please transform into ace of spade. And last time I'm gonna tell, we have to tell it 5 times. Please transform into ace of spade. Okay, I think it should have transformed. I order you to transform into ace of spade. The bottommost card should transform into ace of spade. And while I'm not having any cards in my hand, you can just see it for yourself, and the joker has literally transformed into ace of spade. Something is fishy, but that's true. Okay, friends, and here we have just 2 cards. One joker has transformed itself by giving its life, and I think we should ask the guarantee card to bring the joker again to its life. And I'm just placing this joker here, and I am ordering you guarantee card to literally give another joker. Wow, from nowhere another joker appeared. And thank you, friends, for watching this trick, and hope you enjoyed the trick.